In this video, I'm going to show you how to see dislikes on YouTube on phone. Now, for us to get this done, what we are going to do is head over here to our Play Store, and we're just going to go ahead and search something. So here we're going to look for show dislikes. So this is the application that we're going to be using. There are other couple of applications that you can use, but this one is the one that I'm going to be using for today. And then we're going to head over to YouTube. Now here in YouTube, what you're going to do is just find something. It could be a movie, basically a short, or just find something in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one, for example, and we're not gonna be touching anything. Now take note that there is 2.9 thousand likes in there. I'm gonna click the share button, and then we can go ahead and find the application. So I'm gonna click more, and then there is the show dislike. So I'm gonna go ahead and click that over there, and what's gonna happen is you should be able to see this one right now. So as of the moment, there are 618,000 views, as you can see here, 2.9k of likes, and then this is the number of dislikes that we are seeing. So this is rating, or this video's rating is 4.96, which I think is good. So yep, that is basically how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.